How to add or remove the calendar Today widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on Widgets. Then we scroll down and tap on Calendar. After that, scroll down. Then go to the Today section and select a widget size that you would like to use. So we've got a small one, the medium size, and a large size, 4x2. So if you touch and hold on that, and then drag it to your home screen and let go, here you can place the widget on the home screen. After that, tap anywhere on the screen to save the changes. If you touch and hold on the widget, and then go into settings, so tap on settings. And here you can select the calendars to show. So here, tap on select calendars. And from here, from the list of available calendars, you can select one. Now at the moment, it only shows calendars on my phone, but if you have signed to Google or Yahoo or other services such as Outlook, then it will show more calendars available from the list for you to choose from. And here you can also choose to show or hide reminders in your calendar widget. And that's it. After that, tap on saved. And that is your calendar widget on the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.